The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is the best smart thermostat you can buy right now. It finally fixes the cheap plastic hardware of the past, gives you a gorgeous zinc and glass build, and legitimately solves the problem of hot and cold spots in your house. Oh yeah? It's also $250 for a thermostat that plays Spotify out of a tiny speaker and tells you your air quality is bad without telling you how to fix it. It's a shiny gimmick that costs $60 more than their own model that does the exact same heating and cooling. Okay, let's talk about that price, because $249 is an investment. But you aren't just buying a thermostat, you're buying a smart home hub, a smart speaker, an air quality monitor, and a radar occupancy sensor, all wrapped in a genuine premium zinc body. It looks and feels like a high-end device. I touch my thermostat maybe twice a year. I don't need it to be made of zinc, and I definitely don't need it to play music. If you're standing in your hallway listening to a podcast on your thermostat, something has gone terribly wrong in your life. The music is just a bonus if you happen to have it in a central location like the kitchen. But having Alexa and Siri built directly into the wall is actually incredibly useful. You can set a timer, control your lights, or make intercom announcements to other rooms without having to buy and plug in a separate Echo Dot or HomePod Mini. Assuming you want tech companies listening to you in the hallway, but let's talk about the actual heating and cooling, which is the only reason anyone should buy this. Ecobee doesn't use learning algorithms like Nest does. It just does what you tell it to do. Exactly. That is a huge advantage. Nest tries to learn your schedule, and half the time it decides you should be freezing at 2 a.m. because you manually turned the heat down once a couple of days back. Ecobee respects your schedule. You tell it what you want and it executes it perfectly. Fine, I'll give you that. Nest algorithm is infuriating. But Ecobee's solution to hot and cold spots is just to sell you more hardware. The premium comes with one smart sensor. If you have a 2-story house, you're going to need to buy more of the sensors at $80 a pair just to make the system actually work. It comes with one sensor included, which is all most people need to fix their primary problem room. Say your bedroom is always freezing, while the hallway where the thermostat lives is perfectly warm. You put the smart sensor in the bedroom, the thermostat reads the temperature from the bedroom at night and ignores the hallway. It completely changes how comfortable you are in your own house. And the new radar sensor in the main unit can detect motion from around corners, waking the screen up before you even step in front of it. The radar sensor is cool, sure, it wakes up faster. But let's talk about this air quality monitor. They're pushing so hard. This is the big feature they use to justify the word premium. It is a great feature. It monitors volatile organic compounds, VOCs, estimated carbon dioxide and humidity. If your air quality drops because you're cooking or painting, it alerts you. Sounds great until you realize what it doesn't do. It doesn't measure PM 2.5, which is particulate matter. Meaning if there's wildfire smoke outside leaking into your house or a lot of dust, it has absolutely no idea. Furthermore, when it tells you the air quality is poor, it doesn't give you any data. It just says poor air quality. What are you supposed to do? Open a window? What if the outside air is worse? It's half-baked anxiety generation. I think you're expecting lab-grade diagnostics from a thermostat. For most people, a simple alert that humidity or VOCs are spiking is a helpful reminder to turn on an exhaust fan or open a door. It's about basic awareness. Basic awareness that costs an extra $60 over the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, which gives you the exact same radar sensor, the exact same touchscreen, the exact same heating and cooling logic, and doesn't bother with the gimmick speaker or the vague air monitor. You're forgetting something. The Ecobee Enhanced, the one you're talking about, smart thermostat does not come with a smart sensor in the box. If you buy the Enhanced for $190 and then realize you need a sensor, you have to spend $80 for a 2-pack. Suddenly you spend $270. The premium, Ecobee Premium, is $249, includes the sensor and gives you the zinc body, the air monitor and the voice assistant. The math actually heavily favors the premium if you plan on using sensors. Math only works if you actually use the sensor. A lot of people live in apartments or small single-story homes where the central thermostat reads the temperature perfectly fine. Which brings us to the security features. The premium has a built-in smoke alarm listener. If your standard non-smart smoke detector goes off while you're awake, the thermostat hears it and sends an alert to your phone. It can also use your motion sensors to detect intruders. Oh, let's absolutely talk about the security features. Because that smoke alarm listener, you have to pay a monthly subscription for Ecobee Smart Security to actually use it for emergency dispatch. And as a security system, it's a joke. I've seen customer complaints that the motion sensors completely failed to trigger alarms during testing. You do not want to rely on your HVAC controller to protect your family from a break-in. It's not meant to replace a hardwired ADT system. It's an added layer of peace of mind for people who don't want to buy a massive dedicated security setup. For $5 or $10 a month, having a thermostat and room sensors double as basic motion and smoke monitors is a great crossover value. Value is subjective. You know what isn't subjective? Power outages. This thing has no backup battery. The power flickers and your security hub goes completely dark. If the power is out, your Wi-Fi router is dead anyway and your HVAC system won't run because the blower fan requires mains power. A backup battery in a thermostat wouldn't accomplish anything but keeping a screen on. Okay, fine, but it still requires a C-wire for continuous power. If you have an older home without a C-wire, you're going to be messing around with that power extender kit behind your furnace panel. It's not always a simple plug and play, let me tell you. They include the power extender kit in the box specifically for that reason. And the customer support will literally walk you through the wiring on the phone if you get confused. They've made it as foolproof as electrical work can be. Assuming you don't mind sitting on hold. And there's one more thing nobody mentions, the 3-year warranty. On a device this loaded with sensors, radar, a speaker, a Wi-Fi radio, that's a lot of components that can fail for a warranty that's shorter than what you'd get on a basic thermostat that has almost nothing to break. A basic dial thermostat also does almost nothing for you. More components means more that could fail, sure. But it also means more that's actually working for you every day. That's a nice way of saying, trust me, which is exactly what people said about the last smart home gadget that started bricking itself 2 years after the warranty ran out. Most users haven't had any hardware issues over months, and Ecobee has got a long track record compared to some of the newer smart home brands that vanish in 18 months. A long track record of thermostats, not of speakers, not of radar sensors. This is Ecobee's first real swing at cramming all of that into one box. You're an early adopter on half these features, whether you meant to be or not. It's time for the final verdict. Who should actually buy the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium? If you have a home with uneven temperatures like a freezing basement or a hot upstairs bedroom, the included smart sensor will change your life. If you use Apple HomeKit, Alexa or SmartThings, the integration is flawless. It doesn't arrogantly guess your schedule like a Nest, it actually listens to you. The zinc body looks gorgeous on the wall, the radar sensor is hyper responsive, and having a voice assistant built in eliminates the need for extra smart speakers cluttering your counters. It is the best thermostat in the market for people who actually want control over their comfort. Listen to me, because here is exactly who needs to keep their wallet clamped shut. If you live in a condo, an apartment, or a house small enough that the temperature is already even, do not buy this overpriced vanity project. You are literally setting money on fire. That premium air quality monitor, it's useless. Panicware that tells you the air is bad without giving you the granular data to actually fix it. The speaker sounds like a tin can, and those heavily advertised security features are nothing but a Trojan horse designed to shake you down for a monthly subscription fee. If you just want your house to be the right damn temperature without the tech bro fluff, buy the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. It gives you the exact same heating logic, the identical radar occupancy sensor and the exact same glass touchscreen for $60 less. Don't be a sucker paying a premium tax just so your hallway can play Spotify. Unless your house is a drafty multi-zone mess that desperately needs that one remote room sensor, buy the enhanced and spend the leftover cash on something that actually matters. So, you heard both of us. Now you take a call. I feel it's a very good option and will make a real difference in your home. And I feel it is a waste of your money and you should look at a more affordable thermostat that is not packed with features that you will never use.